How to change grade level in Buddy AI. Hi everyone, welcome back to Wake&Tech, and in this video we are going to be learning how you can easily change the grade level in your Buddy AI application. So first of all, launch the Buddy AI app on your phone or tablet and log into your account where you want to change the learning level. Once you're inside this homepage, go to the upper left corner and tap on the gear button or the settings button. Go ahead and enter your birth year as a parent, and then once you do that, you'll be taken to the general tab where you need to go ahead and click on grade level under learning settings. Now choose the grade level you want to change to. Choose the level that best matches the learner's current ability. After you make a selection, click on Change Level and click Continue. All the progress will then be reset and you have successfully changed your child's grade level in Buddy AI. Now the lessons should better match the learner's skill and make studying more fun and comfortable. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.